Hi everyone, this is Daniel with Texas Barndominiums. Ever since we posted the YouTube video regarding the pennies on the floor, I have not been able to sleep. I have not been able to stop thinking about just how many pennies is it actually going to take to put in a square foot. So we decided with a little bit of movie magic, we're going to show you just how easy it really is to lay pennies. And we're going to show you that right now. Okay, so it's really not that simple. We're gonna go ahead and show you exactly what it took to get these pennies down, to get more of an accurate number of what it's gonna take to fill in a square foot. And so we're gonna show you that right now. It's sped up because it did take some time. After we calculated the time, it took me, and I'm not experienced, just as if our clients would be, about 45 to 50 minutes to do 1 square foot. So if you think about doing 96 square feet, that's a lot of time, and I did it sitting at a table. So what you're about to see is me doing it at the table. Like I said, we sped it up, and this is exactly what it takes to put pennies down. Hope you enjoy it.
188.
Is that what it is there? There's 288 pennies on this one, and there was
64
on the left.
264.
Yeah, I'm done. Okay, so you got to see exactly what we did to lay down some pennies. We really hope this answers some questions for you guys, especially those that are wanting to try this out for the first time. There is a lot that is involved in doing this and putting it together. So if this is something you're gonna tackle, just know it takes a lot of work, and it's gonna be hard on your back, hard on your knees, but it will be worth it in the end. Well, even just a small little test that we did, they look amazing. We do like the kind of nested in little version better, so just know that. But yeah, that's exactly what it took. We hope you enjoyed, and we will see you next time. We are Texas Barndominium.